by the bay where the green melons grow. Back to my old home I dare not go. My mother waits there with a list of questions. She wants to know about the sights I have seen. She asked me, did you ever see a pig wearing a wig down by the bay? Down by the bay, down by the bay where the tide comes in slow. Back to my own porch I dare not go. The authorities of the house demand a full report on the creature you ever see. A mouse in a tiny house down by the bay. Down by the bay. Down by the bay where the heavy vines grow. Back to my kitchen I dare not go. I stand on the pier and I watch the insects, specifically a bee with a porcelain cup of tea. It sits on a flowering world down by the bay. Down by the bay, down by the bay where the deep water flows. Back to my bedroom I dare not go. A massive shadow moved beneath the gray surface. It was a whale. Splash, a whale with a polka-dot tail, splashing through the waves, performer down by the bay. Down by the bay. It is a strange world out by the water. Down by the bay.